Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain exercise 3. Exercise 3, it is given a story. In this story, some personal pronouns have been left out. Fill them in. So, dear student, this is the given story. So, I think firstly you try. At home. So, today I will not explain this exercise 3. I will give you solution. Firstly, you try, because I have explained all the rules and regulations what are given in this chapter. But today you try this. And in exercise 3, it is given possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Second, possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? What are possessive pronouns? Possessive means possess. Possess means have. Something have. So in this way, a pronoun which shows ownership. A pronoun which shows ownership. A pronoun which shows ownership. And replaces a possessive noun Possessive noun is called a possessive pronoun. Is called a possessive pronoun. So here possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? A pronoun which shows ownership. Ownership means the things related to some particular person. Means ownership. Ownership means like that. This is my pen. This pen is mine. Mine means this pen, factly this pen for me, only for me. So mine as represent as possessive pronoun. Ownership. I am the owner of this pen. Ownership. So a pronoun which shows ownership and replaces a possessive noun. It replaces a possessive noun. Is called a possessive noun. So this time, as this bag is mine. Sorry. Example. This bag is mine. This is my bag. This is my pen. This is my bag. This is my pen. It is simple way. It does not have ownership. But this pen is mine. This is ownership. This pen is mine. This shows ownership. This is my pen. This is simply my pen. It don't have ownership. So this bag is mine. Means bag is for only me. This is mine. So here mine represents ownership. It is for this noun bag. Replaces for bag. This bag is mine. This bag is mine means that this bag, noun bag is noun, means this bag for only me. Second, this school is ours. This school is ours. Here ours shows ownership. Means this school is for us, for all, not only one. Ownership of this school is for all, not for one. Ours. So this shows possessive nouns. In this way you can understand as mine, ours, yours, theirs. It shows, all this shows possessive noun. Now exercise 4. Exercise 4. Choose the correct possessive nouns from those given in brackets and complete the sentences. I invited friends to tea. They played with. Here, my twice or my twice. They played with my twice. So simply choose the correct possessive nouns from those given the brackets and complete the sentences. So I invited friends to tea. Friends came for tea. They played with twice, but whose twice? My twice or mine twice? They played with mine twice, not my twice, mine twice. Second, the principal will present dash annual report. So the principal will represent his annual report. His annual report. Oh, sorry, in first sentence I told mine, no, my. It will be used my. I invited friends to tea. They played with my twice, with my twice. So here will be my. Second, the principal will present annual report. So the principal will present his annual report. His annual report. His there will be. Third, leave books here and go to sleep. Leave your books here. You feel yours and your only. Leave your book here. Leave your books here and go to sleep. The box containing chocolates is mine, not mine. The box containing chocolates is mine. Fifth, dash clothes very untidy. Dear's means dear's clothes were untidy. The cows in the shed are theirs. You use theirs. After that you can do 7, 8, 9, 10 yourself. I will give solution. Exercise 5. Read the story given below and underline the possessive nouns. You must underline the possessive nouns. It was a very hot and humid day. Means possessive noun. The boys were passing a pond on their way back home. On their way. Their. You underline their. Suddenly one of the boys took off his shirt. One of the boys took off his shirt. His. Underline this. Like this, you underline the possessive pronouns yourself. If you feel any doubt, I will give the solution. Firstly, today you do yourself. After then, I will give you solution. So dear student, you try to find out as possessive pronoun in exercise 5. So for today's class, thank you very much, and I hope you are doing very well. If you feel any doubt, so you can contact me. Okay, for today's class, thank you.